Welcome to the prelims 2021 booster series by Margi. Your time starts now. Okay, time is over. What did you answer? Correct answer is D. The initiative 17 plus 1 is a China-led format made in 2012. So it is between Beijing and Central and Eastern European countries, not the Western European countries. Basically, with investments and trade for the development of Central and Eastern European region, are also focusing on infrastructure projects. Lithuania has pulled out of this initiative, not Latvia, and it is seen as a pro-China grouping. Who is part of it? So there are 12 European Union member states and 5 Balkan states: Albania, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Croatia, Czech Republic, Estonia, Greece, Hungary, Latvia, Lithuania, Macedonia, Montenegro, Poland, Romania, Serbia, Slovakia, and Slovenia. So now Lithuania is longer part of this initiative. Okay, going to the next question. Your time starts. Okay, time is over. What did you answer? Correct answer is B. Of the above are prohibited by the Chemical Weapons Convention. Organization for Prohibition of Chemical Weapons is an international organization established by the Chemical Weapons Convention 1997, basically to implement and enforce the terms of non-proliferation treaty, which prohibits the use and stockpiling or transfer of chemical weapons by signatory states. So PCW reports on its inspections and other activities to the United Nations. It was also awarded 2013 Nobel Peace Prize for its extensive efforts to eliminate chemical weapons. Another important aspect is India's Comptroller and Auditor General has been chosen as the external authority by the organization for a 3-year term starting 2021. It's an important fact. Now, what is prohibited by the Chemical Weapons Convention? Developing, producing, acquiring, stockpiling, or retaining chemical weapons, the direct or indirect transfer of chemical weapons use or military preparation for use, assisting, encouraging, or inducing other states to engage in Chemical Weapons Convention prohibited activity, and the use of riot control agents as method of warfare. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The time starts. Okay, time is over. The answer. Correct answer is B, Azerbaijan. So it is part of Azerbaijan, but its population is majority Armenian. Basically, in 1980s, the Soviet Union saw increasing tensions in the constituent republics. It became basically the Nagorno-Karabakh voted to become part of Armenia, which sparked a war, and the war stopped after the ceasefire in 1994. So this region since then has remained part of Azerbaijan but is controlled by separatist ethnic Armenians backed by the Armenian government. So even last year a brief war took place where last year in the region recaptured and disputed Nagorno-Karabakh. Azerbaijan seized back swathes of territory in the separatist ethnic Armenian region with the help of Turkish combat drones and other weaponry from Ankara. So, because of that conflict, 6,000 lives were claimed and ended with a Russian brokered truce in November. That's how ethnic Armenians pushed out a large parts of the land they had won during the brutal post-Soviet war in the 1990s. So, technically, it is part of Azerbaijan. Moving to the next question. The time starts now. Time is over. The correct answer is Turkmenistan. As you can see in the map, the Xinjiang province is bordered by 8 countries. Here you can see Mongolia, then there is even Russia, yes, then there is Kazakhstan, even Kyrgyzstan you will find is bordering it, then even Tajikistan you will find bordering it, then there is Afghanistan which is bordering it, Pakistan is also there, as well as India. India also borders the region. So 8 countries are there. Turkmenistan is not bordering the region. Again, it is important to know about the geographical aspects when it comes to studying international news. Moving to the next question, the time starts now. Okay, time is over. The correct answer for this is B. Why? Because the Codex Alimentarius Commission, established in 1963, is an intergovernmental body established jointly by Food and Agricultural Organization and World Health Organization within the framework of Joint Food Standards Program. So basically to protect the health of consumers and ensure fair practices in the food trade. It has a committee which is Codex Committee on Spices and Culinary Herbs. Basically has finalized and recommended quality standards for 4 spices: cloves, oregano, basil and ginger. So it has forwarded these new standards to the commission. This committee, formed in 2013, is the youngest of its committees and is chaired by India, and Spices Board India is its secretariat. So such kind of small yet important organization when it comes to trade can be asked in prelims. This is why it becomes important. Going to the next question. Your time starts now. Okay, time is over. What did you answer? The correct answer is Nigeria. So ECOWAS is a regional and political and economic union of 15 countries located in West Africa. It is economic union of West African states. So who is part of it? There is Niger, Nigeria, Togo, Benin, Mali, all these western states, Carpe Vedre, Senegal, Gambia, Sierra Leone, Liberia, all these are part of it, but Chad, Libya, Algeria are not part of this union. So important to remember which African states are in which part of the African continent. Some kind of a question, some kind of an elimination can be from here.